So you're noticing a red light that is blinking on your car after locking it. Well, there are a few things that we need to do and we need to understand. So first is we need to understand the blinking light. Now the red light is your car's anti-theft indicator. Now when it blinks, the security system is armed to trigger alarms if someone tampers with the car. Now, next is you may want to check the locking system here. Make sure all doors and the trunk are fully closed before locking. Sometimes unusual blinking happens simply because something isn't shut properly. And also you may want to look for any unusual patterns. Now, if the blinking looks different from normal, it may signal a malfunction. So some cars use blinking codes to point a specific issue. So you may need to refer to your car's manual to confirm this one. Next is you may want to inspect the battery. Now, the security system relies on the car battery. A weak battery can cause irregular blinking, so make sure to check that. Next is you may want to test the battery voltage here. Now, use a voltmeter. So, a healthy reading is around 12.6 to 12.7 volts. Now, if it's below 12.4 volts, the battery is weak. Also, you may want to recharge or replace the battery. Now, if the voltage is low, recharge the battery or replace it. Then check if the blinking returns to its normal pattern. Now, if this doesn't work for you, it is advised to seek professional help if needed. Now, if the red light still blinks abnormally, have a mechanic inspect the anti-theft system here, and that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.